I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan aioli. This creamy, flavorful condiment is surprisingly simple to prepare using just a few common ingredients. You'll need aquafaba, which is the liquid from a can of chickpeas, a neutral oil like grapeseed or sunflower, fresh garlic, lemon juice, a touch of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt. It's a fantastic alternative to traditional aioli, perfect for many dishes. The key to a luscious vegan aioli is achieving a perfect emulsion. Start by blending the aquafaba, garlic, lemon juice, mustard, and salt until well combined. Then, with your blender or food processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1 cup of oil. This gradual addition is crucial for creating that thick, creamy texture we all love. Don't rush this step. Patience is rewarded with a beautiful, stable aioli. Once your aioli has reached its desired consistency, it's time to personalize the flavor. Consider adding fresh herbs like finely chopped parsley, chives, or dill for a vibrant touch. A 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika or a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper can introduce a lovely warmth. Always taste and adjust the seasoning, perhaps adding more lemon juice for brightness or a bit more salt to enhance all the flavors. To keep your homemade vegan aioli fresh, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will typically last for about 5 to 7 days, so you can enjoy it throughout the week. This versatile condiment is wonderful as a dip for roasted vegetables or fries, a spread for sandwiches and burgers, or even as a creamy dressing for salads. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.